Okay, so now see here, if you have in the middle any problem, then you can ask it. So polynomials, the basic definition of the polynomials, if you see that, the definition of the polynomial, if you see, is it audible to you? The fan sound is disturbing you. Any one of you can say. My voice is clearly audible to you.
Yes, sir. Your voice is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Okay. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. No need to say others. Any one of you can, if replies the remaining, keep quiet. So here we got a very good opportunity that the KVS regional office and completely has provided the online teaching classes provision to you, and you also take care about your. Always I used to tell that take care about your eyes, because at the same time we need to take about health and we need to read. Okay, we need to learn it. So these points you keep in your mind. That's why in the school timetable also we have made the 15 minutes, at least minimum 15 minutes time gap, and in that 15 minutes you take the rest and don't see the mobile. So if you, my best suggestion is to you that, so give the rest to your eyes. Always I used to say that in your the previous classes also I said to you that 20 minutes gap should be given to your eyes at least, and 20 minutes. So whenever you attend the one class, after the class you try to give the rest to your eyes. Okay, and you are the nation builders. The future is in your hand. Okay, so now let us go for the second chapter, polynomials. So in the polynomials here, if you see that the basic definition of the polynomials in the 9th class, what you have learned. So before going to start the polynomials, let me start the what is exactly polynomial. And before that, polynomials comes under the chapter algebra. So can anyone tell me the what is algebra? Can anyone tell me what is algebra? What is meant by algebra? What is meant by algebra? No one knows. If you don't know, say no. If you don't know, yes.
Algebra is a branch of mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to, sir, denote some quantities and numbers.
Yes. Funny answer for the algebra. What? Can anyone tell? Usually, you people will play with the means in funny way. People will talk about the algebra. Just usually. So I am from this. Yes. All the zebras together will make the algebra. Like that, some of the people will make fun of the algebra also. So very good. Who told the answer? Samrat now. Samrat. Who given the answer now? Samrat. Very good. Okay. So algebra is nothing but the branch of the mathematics in which we use the English alphabet instead of the numbers. Instead of the numbers, we use the English alphabet. Okay. So that English alphabet, whatever we use, is called as a, what do we call? Variable, or another name for this, literal. We call it them as a laterals also. This usually I think you people don't know that. Okay, either we call it as a variable or we call it as a laterals. So that means variation will be there always. So it is going to change the value of that quantity from the problem to problem. Okay, so people don't present anything, don't click anything. Okay, so now here, what are the variables? Usually we use X, Y, Z, A, B, C, and so on. All these are called the variables. These are called the variables. Okay, so now here, next thing you need to know that constant. What is meant by a constant? Constant is nothing but fixed value. So constant is nothing but fixed value. So it is, suppose numbers if you are taking 2, 5, 1 by 2, minus 3 by 5. So the symbol pi, this is a symbol pi. The value of the symbol pi here, see here, the value is 3.145 continuously. It is given, these many decimal places are there here on my t-shirt, if you observe properly. So this is, can anyone tell me what is a pi? Pi is a rational number or irrational number?
Pi is an irrational number.
Okay.
Sir, it is an irrational number.
Yes.
So irrational
Pi
number.
is an irrational number.
Very good. Can you tell me what is a 22 by 7?
Sir, this is also a pi.
This is also a pi.
So the value,
Is this a irrational number or rational number?
irrational.
Irrational number.
Rational, sir, rational.
Rational number.
Sir, irrational.
Sir, rational.
You need to put the rational and irrational number definition very clearly.
Rational.
Rational number is not. Let me clarify, because most of the students are having the doubts regarding this thing. So let us clarify that. Okay, let us learn very clearly here. So pi is a irrational number. 22 by 7 is a rational number because it is in the form of the p by q. The number which is in the form of the p by q is called as a rational number. The number which is in the form of the p by q is called rational number. So it is in the form of the p by q. It is rational number. Okay, did you get my point here? The numbers which can be written in the form of the p by q are called as rational number. Rational numbers which cannot be written in the form of the p by q are called irrational numbers. That I have given to you very clearly in the notes also, which I have given to you in the first chapter. Okay, so here 22 by 7 is a rational number, but pi is an irrational number because pi value is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. So see the value here, it is written here on my t-shirt also. That's why I have wrote this one to explain to you that as a one teaching area 3.14156 like that. The number of decimal places are going on increasing like this. These many decimal places are given to you. So it is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. So you see here at the end also given to you dash. Still more are there. But what we will get, we don't know. So the pi value is given by the different mathematicians to the millions, billions of decimal places. Till the millions of decimal places it was given. So that value is non-terminating. So whatever the non-terminating, non-recurring decimals are there, they are all called as a irrational numbers. So it is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal, it is irrational number. And 22 by 7 is a rational number. Sir, then pi value 22 by 7 we will take now. This doubt will be raised. Pi value 22 by 7 we will take, but pi exact value is not 22 by 7. Pi exact value is not 22 by 7. Pi approximate value is 22 by 7. This point you need to concentrate. Okay, is it clear? So these are all called as a constants. These are all called as a constant. And variables and constants together, if you multiply them or if you divide them, then whatever the thing you will get, that is called as a term. What do we call it? Term. If you individually, this constant in itself is called as a, individually this is called as a term, individually this is called as a term. If you multiply these two, or if you divide any variable by the constant or constant by the variable, that also is called as a term. Only you have to multiply or divide the variable and constant. Then whatever you will get, it is called as a one term. Okay, so just if you say 2 itself a term, so we call it as a term. 2 itself a term. If you x simply itself a term, x को 2 से divide करो, x by 2, that is also a term. 2 को x से divide करो, 2 by x, that is also a term. Okay, if you multiply the two variables, that is also a term. So these are all terms. Okay, so this is 22 by 7 is a constant. Pi is also a constant only. So symbol will be used, although we use the symbol, it is a constants. Okay, so do remember that. So 2x, x by 2, 2 by x, these are all called terms. And if you combine these terms with the plus and minus symbol, you are going to get an algebraic expression. And algebraic expression you will get. So that algebraic expression, the algebraic expression which is having a one term is called as a monomial, single term. ये सभी monomials हैं. ये भी algebraic expressions हैं. ये भी algebraic है. And ये दोनों को add करो, ये एक नया algebraic expression हो जाएगा. ये दोनों को add करो, वो भी एक algebraic expression. इसमें से ये subtract करो, वो भी एक algebraic expression है. So like this. This is algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression. So in this algebraic expression, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. Terms will be separated with the plus and minus symbols. Wherever you have a plus symbol, minus symbol, the terms will be separated by the plus and minus symbols. Okay. So is it clear? So these are called algebraic expressions. Next thing is, in this algebraic expression, having a one term is called monomial, two terms is called binomial, three terms is called as a trinomial, and four terms is quadrinomial, and more than four terms onwards also we call it as a multinomial. So there is a lot of difference between the multinomial and the polynomial. Everyone do remember that. This is a main, most of the students will get confused that multinomial and polynomial both are same. No, multinomial is an algebraic expression. Now let us come to the originally, what is definition of the polynomial? Polynomial is nothing but an algebraic expression. The definition I am writing here. So an algebraic expression having the power of variable in each term as non-negative integer is called polynomial. This is one way of expressing the definition of the polynomial. So can you see properly here?
Yes, sir. You can see. Yes, sir.
Yes. An algebraic expression having a power of the variable in each term as non-negative integer. Do remember this point should be underlined. Non-negative integer I said. So I am going to give you some algebraic expressions to you. That algebraic expressions, whether they are the polynomials or not, you need to identify here. These all the things are whatever I am teaching to you. This you already learned in 9th class. Once again, I am recalling the concepts to you. The basics only let us learn today, because without the basics, you cannot go further. Suppose if this building is constructed without a proper base, then it will be collapsed. So you need to have the strong base. Do remember that I always used to stress you that reading the textbook of mathematics textbook is very, very essential to you. Most of the students will think that to learn the mathematics, we need to solve the problems. But before solving the yes, we need to solve the problems. But before solving the problems, to develop the concept, you need to read the textbook. You need to read the textbook. So this is very, very essential thing you need to concentrate. Okay. So now here, non-negative integer. Non-negative integers means, can anyone tell me what are the non-negative integers?
All the whole numbers.
All whole numbers. Yes. So 0 is what?
Whole number, sir.
Whole number. Very good. 0 will come under the non-negative integer.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 0, 1, 2, 3, that. Only power of the variables should be this one only. Only power of the variables should be power of variable. Variable I am saying. Concentrate on this point. Okay. So now here, if the power of the variable is not that one, then it is not a polynomial. So polynomial is nothing but an algebraic expression having the power of the variable in each term. Every term should have the variable power non-negative integer. Integer होना है. Most of the students will consider that positive होता है तो negative नहीं होना है बोल के सोचता है. But it should be integer. Integer is nothing but only whole numbers should be there. And I am going to give you some examples to you now. Just as an example, x square plus 2x plus 2. Second one, x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 5x minus 3 by 5. Third one, x cube minus x by 3 plus 5 by 8. The fourth one, x plus 1 by x. The next one, can you, yes, here I am writing. Fifth one, can you see this fourth one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If it is not visible to you, then you tell me, okay?
Sir, number 2 का क्या दिखा है?
X to the power of 3 by 2 plus 5x minus 3 by 5. Do remember that, don't try to note down now, because I am going to share this video to you, then afterwards you can go on playing the video, and you can, wherever you want, you can see it. Then see, we are having the very extra facility in this online classes. So previously we don't have. Once the class is miss. And here, if you want to revise the class, once again you can see that. Okay. Let us try our level best here to do that. From the another example, these are just all are not polynomials. Just I am giving the some algebraic expressions, and in this you need to identify which are polynomials, which are not polynomials. That is the main thing here you need to learn. Okay. Next to the concept, you are going to have degree of the polynomial. Based on the degree of the polynomial, types of the polynomials you are going to have. Okay. So these are the things which you have already learned in the 9th class. So these are main things you need to know. So now here, p power 5 by 2 minus p2 plus 3t minus p power 5 by 2 plus 6. Yes, these are the 5 examples I have given to you. Now, tell me that first one is a polynomial or not?
Yes, sir. It is a polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Second one?
Yes,
Sir, it is a polynomial.
Second one, polynomial?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
no sir, no sir.
Yes.
No, sir. No, sir.
नहीं होगा. No sir, no sir.
Polynomial?
No sir. Second वाला नहीं होगा.
हाँ? Polynomial नहीं होगा?
No sir, इसका fraction है.
No,
The
sir.
reason क्या है? What is the reason?
No sir, no sir. Because of power is fraction.
So tell me the reason.
That power
Why it is?
power fraction में है.
हाँ?
Sir, power section में है उसका.
Power
Section पे. Section में है.
You are having 3 by 2 is not an integer. Non-negative integer नहीं. Okay. Then what about this one? This is a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Then what about the third one? ये polynomial है या नहीं? हाँ?
Polynomial है, sir.
ये होगा?
जैसे ऐडी polynomial
5 by 8 is there.
उसका कोई बात नहीं, कांस्टेंट है ना सर.
होगा.
सर 5 by 8 into x की पावर 0. तो सर यहाँ पर 1 हो जाएगा सर.
Actually, this is constant 5 by 8. Your variable is not there. तो इधर variable का power क्या होगा ना? 0 होगा. Their variable power is 0. So 0 can be the power of the variable. Variable का power 0 हो सकता है.
वो 1
And here, coefficient is 1 by 3 into x. 1/3 into x. So 1/3 into x is x का पावर क्या है 1 है, इधर x का पावर क्या है 3 है, all are non-negative integers, so then it is a polynomial. Then what about the fourth one?
Sir, it is
a polynomial.
sir,
it is a
polynomial.
polynomial.
नहीं sir, x plus x
polynomial.
ये वेरिएबल का पावर 1 है, इधर वेरिएबल का पावर 1 बोल के देख रहे हैं, बट ये राउंड है, इधर इसको x plus x power -1 लिख सकते हैं. 1/x can be written as x power, usually x power -1. So now the variable power has become a negative. So that's why this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial.
Not
Now
polynomial.
let us come to the fifth one, whether it is a polynomial or not.
No sir.
No sir.
No sir.
Polynomial नहीं है,
No sir. No sir. No sir.
No, sir.
but I will say it is polynomial.
No sir. No sir.
It is a polynomial.
No sir.
Why? Sir.
How sir?
See properly.
Sir, इसको
Okay.
तो friend.
और एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ मैं, और एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ, रुको. ये पॉलिनॉमियल होगा,
Yes sir.
ये पॉलिनॉमियल होगा, बट ये ऊपर वाला नहीं होगा.
No sir. No sir.
Sir.
No sir. No sir. No sir.
हमें सर पावर से कोई मतलब नहीं है.
वो दोनों सेम है, पता है?
नहीं सर, सेम नहीं है सर.
वो दोनों सेम है,
नहीं है ना, इसका तो
वेरिएबल अलग है, वो दोनों सेम है. इधर t power 5/2 given to you minus t power 5/2 given, वो दोनों
Cancel.
कैंसिल हो जाएगा. मैं कंफ्यूज
Sir.
हाँ,
Cancel हो जाएगा सर.
सर फिफ्थ नंबर अच्छे से दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
नहीं दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
नहीं सर, राइट साइड से थोड़ा दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
राइट में किया बेटा.
नहीं सर, वो मतलब दाएं तरफ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
इस तरफ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा. एक मिनट, दो बंद करता हूँ.
कैमरा का एंगल सर, कैमरा को सेट करो सर, कैमरा को सेट करो. कैमरे का एंगल ठीक नहीं है सर.
अभी दिखाई दे रहा है?
कैमरा सेट करो सर.
सर कैमरा को साइड करिए.
ये t पावर 5/2 है ना, इधर माइनस
सर.
ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो क्या बचेगा इसको -t³ + 3t.
सर कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है.
राइट साइड नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है,
राइट वाला कैमरा
कैमरे में नहीं आ रहे सर.
तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा बेटा, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो क्या बचेगा -t³ + 3t + 6. वो और ये दोनों सेम है, दोनों पॉलिनोमियल है. मैं कंफ्यूज करने के लिए आपको ये दे दिया है, ये एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करके सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया मैंने. वो देख के आप लोग क्या समझते हैं, सर t पावर 5/2 है ना, 5/2 इज नॉट एन इंटीजर ना, सो इट इज नॉट ए पॉलिनोमियल. मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं आपको. सपोज इफ आई गिवन टू यू x + 3x + 4x, इसमें कितना टर्म्स है? इसमें कितना टर्म्स है? वो एक ही टर्म है,
सर वन टर्म.
वो सिंगल टर्म. ऑल आर लाइक टर्म्स. Actually, you can add them. This can be added to this one. ये completely क्या होगा ना, 8x होगा. Completely ये 8x होगा. So 8x हो गया है completely. So 8x is nothing but single term है ना. So this is a polynomial. Now can you differentiate what is polynomial, what is not a polynomial? So you do remember that algebraic expressions में some extra qualities होता है. What is extra quality? Power of the variable of the each term should be non-negative integer. Then it is called as a polynomial. So that means ये पूरा आप एक ऐसा गोल की जैसा ले लो. Suppose so ऐसे ये पूरा ले लो. ये पूरा अलजेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशंस है। इसमें से थोड़ा सा इधर आगे वो पॉलिनोमियल्स। इसमें कैसे वाला होगा? पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल नॉन नेगेटिव वाला होगा। वेरिएबल का पावर नॉन नेगेटिव होता है ना, वो वाला होगा, वैसे वाला पॉलिनोमियल्स होगा। ओके, सो अभी क्या है, all the algebraic expressions are not polynomials, but all these polynomials are algebraic expressions. इसमें कुछ algebraic expressions होता है, वो polynomial नहीं होता है। इसमें x का क्या होता है, x plus 1 by x की जैसा होता है, और x power 3 by 2 plus 3x plus 2 की जैसा होता है। ये algebraic expression है, but polynomial नहीं है। So that's why do remember that all the polynomials are algebraic expressions, but all the algebraic expressions are need not be a polynomials. Need not be a polynomials, you need to say. So the terminology you need to use it in a proper way. So that may not be a polynomial, but may be a polynomial also. Suppose मैंने एक ले लिया है इधर x square plus 2x plus 2, ये algebraic expression होगा? Yes, और वो polynomial भी होगा। algebraic expression में थोड़ा extra quality है, और ये polynomial होगा। So now this is about the polynomial. The another way of defining the polynomial is polynomials are usually represented by the p of x if the variable is in x. Variable x होता है तो x से represent कर देगा। p of x is equals to
not
x to the power of n, ये n minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1, ये n minus 2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus and so on, ये 1 x, ये 0। ये क्या है, ये an minus 1, an minus 2, a1, a0 are constants. These are all constants. So I am here x power n minus 1, x power n minus 2, x power n minus 3, and x power 1, and then x power 0. So this is the general form of the polynomial. This is the general form of the polynomial in terms of x. So this, what is the degree of this polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is nothing but highest power of the variable. Variable का highest power क्या होता है, वो degree बोलते हैं। समझ में आ रहा है ना? और उसका coefficient 0 नहीं होना है। So its degree is 0. This is the general form of the polynomial. Is the general form of polynomial whose degree is n. If degree n होगा, कब होगा? ये an है ना, वो 0 नहीं होना है। ये constants बोला है ना मैंने, ये these are all what? These are all constants. Where an minus 1 and so on, a1, a0 are constants. Constant means any real number can be taken into consider. So this is the general form of the polynomial. Okay, did you get my point? So if degree of the polynomial सीखने के बाद, so next thing is based on the degree, the types of the polynomials. Based on the degree, types of the polynomials. If the polynomial having a degree 1 होता है तो then it is called as a linear polynomial. Degree 1 होता है तो linear polynomial. Okay, I'm going to give you the एक chart form में मैं देता हूँ. Okay, types of the polynomials. Polynomial का definition समझ में आया ना? Polynomial is nothing but an algebraic expression. Power of the variable देखो, and here you can take that n value, whatever it is you are taking, n should be any integer, non-negative integer. Suppose मैंने n value I have taken to you as a 5. ये x power 5 होगा, x power 4 होगा, x power 3 होगा. In this
होयर के बाद मतलब आपने जो लिखा है अभी होयर a to the power n जो है
क्या बेटा?
सर is the general theme of polynomial होयर डिग्री is के बाद क्या है सर? नीचे का
इधर
हाँ सर,
n डिग्री n इट्स डिग्री, इसका डिग्री क्या है, इसका डिग्री n होता है, बिकॉज n होता है, कब होता है पता है, ये 0 नहीं होता है. ओके, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन टू यू द सम क्वेश्चंस. लेट मी आस्क यू बेस्ड ऑन द डिग्री. सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग x minus x cube plus x power 100 plus 200, इसका डिग्री क्या है?
100.
100.
100.
Sir,
100 होगा?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Let me give some more questions to you like this, because different types of the questions, only if you see that you can understand the concept in a proper way. इसका डिग्री क्या है?
7.
7 है.
7. सर हाईएस्ट पावर है ना, 7 ही तो है सर.
19, sir. 19.
हाँ? 19.
19 कैसे होगा?
Sir, 5.
पूरा ऐड कर दिया. 7 plus 12 plus 4.
Highest power 7 होगा, sir. Highest power 7.
क्या होगा?
सर हाईएस्ट पावर तो 7 था.
7 होगा, 7.
7 होगा ना?
यस सर.
Okay. Let me ask one more question.
Sir, 19. Sir, 19.
इसका डिग्री क्या है?
सर 5 है.
5, sir.
ये दोनों अलग अलग.
Sir, 5. 5. 5.
ये दोनों अलग.
5.
यस, इसका डिग्री 5 सही है, बट मेरा क्वेश्चन सुनो, ये दोनों अलग अलग है.
सर,
दोनों अलग नहीं है, दोनों एक है. 2.7 वैल्यू क्या है? 2.7 वैल्यू क्या है? ये x नहीं है बेटा, 2 है. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है?
यस सर.
ये 2 है, ये 2 है. 2.7 है. 7 plus x power 4 plus 5. 2.7 वैल्यू 8. 128. 128 को मैंने 5 ऐड कर लिया, क्या होगा? 133 होगा. अभी x पावर 5 को लिखा है, x पावर 4 को लिखा है, x पावर 3 को लिखा है, ये दोनों को ऐड करके इधर लिखा, दोनों सेम है. तो इसका डिग्री 5 होगा, इसका डिग्री 5 है. सो आप लोग क्या करते हैं ना, नॉर्मली पावर बोलो तो किधर भी पावर ज्यादा होता है तो उसको देख के वो डिग्री मानते हैं नॉर्मल, बट वैसे नहीं मानना. ये पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल बोला है, इसका ये वेरिएबल का पावर नहीं है, ये कांस्टेंट का पावर है. समझ में आ रहा है? इसका डिग्री इसका डिग्री 5 है, इसका भी डिग्री 5 है. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स विल कंफ्यूज in this area, that's why I'm saying to you very particularly this one. डिग्री पहचानना बहुत आसान नहीं है. Most of the students will. Let me ask the one more question to you. इसका डिग्री क्या है?
Power 5, sir.
Sir, 5.
सर 5.
Again?
4 5.
Sir, 5 होगा.
आंसर देखो इसको. Sure?
4 होगा, sir.
पक्का?
Sir, final.
दोबारा देखो, मैं रीड कर रहा हूँ. 2x पावर 5 प्लस x पावर 4 माइनस x पावर 5 प्लस x पावर 3 माइनस x पावर 5 प्लस x स्क्वायर
2x power 5 होगा, sir.
प्लस 4
2x power 5.
पावर 5.
No, sir, 2x plus. Yes, sir.
2x power 5, sir. 2x power 5.
Power 5 शायद.
5 होगा, sir. Power 5. 4 होगा सर।
और 5 होगा?
4 होगा सर, 4 होगा। 4 होगा सर।
4 होगा?
4 होगा सर, 4 होगा।
श्योर? सम्राट
Yes, sir. 4, 4.
4 होगा?
सर 4 होगा।
हाँ, पल्लव बोल रहे हैं 4 होगा, सम्राट भी बोल रहे हैं 4 होगा, पृथ्वीराज भी अभी रेस्पॉन्ड दे रहे हैं 4 होगा। गुड। 4 कैसे होगा?
4 होगा।
कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो x
हाँ,
को
ये देखो,
5 होगा।
ये माइनस एक्स पावर 5 माइनस एक्स पावर 5 माइनस 2x पावर 5
कैंसिल सर।
माइनस 2x पावर 5। सो ये 2x पावर 5 और ये दोनों तीनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा। तो अब बचेगा ये क्या है पता है? x पावर 4 x क्यूब x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 4। कंफ्यूज करके ऐसा ही होता है। नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन को कोई भी आंसर देते हैं ना, आपका टेक्स्ट बुक वाला क्वेश्चन से कोई भी आंसर देता है, बट ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन को आंसर देने के लिए रेडी होना है आप लोग। समझ में आया? ट्विस्ट समझ में आया? स्टोरी में ट्विस्ट समझ में आया? मतलब
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
और एक मॉडल देता, देखो एक इसमें आपको नंबर दिखता है, नंबर का पावर ज्यादा दिखता है, कंफ्यूज होकर 7 बोलते हैं। और ये एक मॉडल है कंफ्यूज होने का। और तीसरा क्वेश्चन भी देता हूं मैं। डिग्री क्या है? डिग्री क्या है? 5 पावर 7 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस
2 होगा
14 होगा।
2.
2 होगा 2
सर 14 सर 14 लगता है।
14 होगा? अरे ऐसा मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है।
2 सर। 5 होगा।
तो सही है बेटा, पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल बोला है ना, ये एक नंबर है। अब समथिंग ये नंबर बहुत बड़ा नंबर हो सकता है। 5 पावर 7 वैल्यू क्या है? बहुत बड़ा नंबर होता है वो। समथिंग ऐसा 5 6 2 3 समथिंग 25 आ जाएगा। उसके बाद एक्स स्क्वायर सम नंबर आ जाएगा वो। ये नंबर है, नंबर इनटू एक्स स्क्वायर है प्लस एक्स प्लस 5। वो डजंट मैटर हमको। 5 पावर 7 क्या आएगा। और देखो ये अब ये देख लिया, तो सपोज मैं ये क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ 3x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 5, इसका डिग्री क्या है? आप ये आसान से 2 3 2 बिकॉज़ x का पावर हाईएस्ट क्या है वो देखना है। x का हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है वो देखना है। So this is called the degree of the polynomial. Mainly these models, this type of the models you should concentrate. This type of the models you should concentrate. Okay, let me give the one more question answer to you for the degree of it. Because these are the cases you will get confused. 2 power minus 5 x plus x plus 5. इसका डिग्री क्या है?
2
होगा।
Yeah, very good. 2 होगा। 2 होगा, very good. One more question. इसका डिग्री क्या है? What is the degree of this polynomial?
1
Sir, 1.
सर 5
1
What is the degree of this polynomial?
10
Huh?
So 1
1.
Sir, 1.
10
सर 10
X power 2.5
होगा।
minus 5.
माइनस 3 आएगा सर।
What is the degree of this polynomial?
1.
1. Namrata. Vedika 10.
पोलिनोमियल नहीं है सर ये. This is not
Sir,
a polynomial sir at all. पोलिनोमियल नहीं है सर ये. पोलिनोमियल नहीं है.
डेसिमल फॉर्म में है सर.
हाँ सर, ये तो डेसिमल फॉर्म में है।
अरे पोलिनोमियल ही नहीं है.
वो पॉलिनोमियल ही नहीं है, वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है ना आप लोग। यार पॉलिनोमियल नहीं है, क्या है वो पॉलिनोमियल ही नहीं है, तो डिग्री तक किधर जाएगा?
क्या डिग्री?
वो डिग्री पॉलिनोमियल को होता है। ये मैं दिखा के ये मेल होगा फीमेल होगा, ये बॉय है गर्ल है, उसका तो कैसे होता है? बॉय गर्ल होने के लिए फीलिंग होना है। समझ में आ रहा है? तो ये पॉलिनोमियल होता है तो डिग्री होगा उसको, ये पॉलिनोमियल ही नहीं है। समझ में आ रहा है? So see, everything whatever you learn, you need to learn in a proper way.
Okay.
Very clearly you need to learn. Okay, now let us, this is a degree of the polynomial. So after learning the degree, based on the degree, types of the polynomials are there. So your class is actually 9:30 to 10:30 and 10:45 you are going to have the one more class now. So we need to end up today. So read the textbook very clearly. So what you have learned, revise it, and tell me your feedback. How did you feel the class? Any 5 members, one by one.
What sir?
सोहम पहले से हैं? सोहम आ रहे जा रहे क्लास में है? सोहम, सूरज, मानसी, नम्रता, पल्लव. Okay, any one of you tell me that at least feedback. How did you feel?
Sir, that was good sir.
अच्छा लगा सर.
Nice class, sir.
Okay, पहले एक्चुअली क्या है, थोड़ा सा वो आवाज नहीं आया है. Okay, और any suggestions? सर थोड़ा ऐसा होता है तो अच्छा है, चेंज करूंगा.
नहीं सर, ठीक ही क्लास है.
नहीं बेटा, ऐसा नहीं सर, ये नहीं दिखा रहे, ऐसा होता है तो और अच्छा होता है बोल दिया तो मैं उसको थोड़ा सा करूंगा. बोल सकते हैं, उसमें गलत कुछ नहीं है.
सर आप थोड़ा बड़ा करके
that in a Google Classroom there are 25 students are there. 25 out of 25, 27 students are joined. Some out of the Google Classroom also joined. Really great thing this is. You people you show the very interest towards the mathematics class. Okay, let us have the class. If I am free also, in the free time I will inform you and we'll have a class. You people are very enthusiasm to learn the things, new things. कौन absent है इसमें actually? Okay, let us end up because we need to give the rest to your eyes as per the schedule. We need to complete it by the 10:30. Don't worry, tomorrow onwards we'll have the class in a proper way. As today first 10 minutes are disturbed, so it should not be like that. So let us try our level best to do it. Okay, anyone want to speak anything? Some message me, it would be nice. What? It would be nice. Okay sir, that would be nice. Vishal, thank you. Okay. कौन absent है इसमें? यशिका नहीं दिख रहा है. यशिका आया नहीं? यशिका is there? No. Pranil, Trisha, Ankita, Himani. Very good. Okay. Gopalnath. Okay, beta. Let us end up that because you need to attend the another class also at the same time. Thank you for joining. And if you have any doubt, very soon I will share this video also, the recorded video. I'll try to share every time the recorded video to you, so that you can view it afterwards also. Okay. Thank you. And you go on posting here in this only wherever you have a doubt. And generally don't discuss anything. And if you have any doubt, you can post in Google Classroom also. Okay. Generally. Thank you. Thank you for joining. No need of everyone to say the thank you. अरे आप लोग चैटिंग में बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट है लग रहे हैं. Chalo, your generation is like that. Good. Keep it up and take care. Have a nice day.